Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video on two Louis Vuitton toiletry bags, the Toiletry 25 and the Toiletry 28. The Toiletry 25 is still available at Louis Vuitton now, and the Toiletry 28 is a discontinued item. But you can still find it on pre-loved websites and on eBay. That's where I got mine. The Toiletry 25 retails for $635 US and is 9.4 inches in length, 6.6 inches in height, and 3.5 inches in width. It has two panels of canvas, one on the front, one on the back, and it has another piece on the bottom, which starts on the side, is continuous down the bottom, and comes up on the other side. And then it has two on the sides of the zipper. It has a brass zipper and zipper pull that comes around the edges, and which in theory makes it easy to open wide to get to your items. On the interior, there's a textile coated lining, which makes it easy to wipe clean. It also has an interior zipper pocket with a brass zipper and zipper pull. This zipper pull is shaped a little bit differently than the outside one and is a little bit smaller. It has a leather tag, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and the date code. So on the interior pocket, if the pocket is open, it's going to be on the opposite side, and it's a leather tab. This particular bag was made in 2013. All right. Moving on to the Toiletry 28. I have some notes here on my phone for it also. The measurements that I give may be slightly off because it's an older bag, so I wasn't able to find Louis Vuitton's advertisement for it. I may find it prior to putting this video up, and then I'll insert it. But the measurements that I found were that this bag is 11 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 3.5 inches in width. It has the two canvas panels on the front and on the back. It also, for the bottom, has one panel that starts on the side, it's continuous along the bottom, and then comes up on the other side. It also has the two separate panels along the zipper. It has the brass zipper and zipper pull also. And on the inside of this one's a little bit different than the other one. It has this kind of beige interior. I wasn't too sure what this interior was made out of. What I was able to find it from one website says it's a washable ivory leather with elastic organizational straps and a flat pocket. So this is what the inside of this one looks like. I have never used these, but I suppose if you are going to put bottles of something in these would help to hold them along the sides so they aren't tipping. This one Also has a leather tab, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And the date code for this one is, if you have the zipper open, it's on the same side as the zipper pull on the interior slip pocket. There's no tag, it's just embossed into the material. And this particular bag was made in 2007. I know some of the older Toiletry 28s, they have a fabric tab or a fabric tag on the inside instead of this leather tag. This one I got on eBay. I can't remember the exact price, but it ranged from about $250 to, I want to say like $315. I can't remember the exact price, but basically half the price of this one. I actually liked this one so much that I bought two of them, but I recently sold the other one. Actually, just last week I sold the other one and shipped it off because I wasn't using it. I used to travel a lot for my job, and I thought I would get a lot of use out of it. However, I no longer travel, so I don't. But when I do travel for leisure, I find myself gravitating towards the 28, just because of the size. I feel like I can fit more in it, and I feel like the mouth opens larger than on this one. And I can actually, I'll do comparison side by side of the two. And it has the 28 has one LV on this side, and so does the 25. Turning them around, the 28 has 4 LVs across, 2 rows, and the 25 has 3 LVs across with 2 rows. On the other end, the 28 has an LV upside down, and so does the 25. And turning it around, you will see the 4 LVs and the 3 LVs on the 25. If I had to choose between the two, I would choose the 28 because of the things I've already mentioned, and also the 28 does not have the vachetta piping on it, and the 25 does, which I feel like I have to be more careful with it. And typically when you're taking a toiletry bag, you're going to be using it in the bathroom, and I was always afraid that I was going to set it in water and damage the piping. So I think I've covered everything I wanted to cover today. I didn't do what can fit in the toiletry bag. However, if you'd like to see that, I can do another video and show you what can fit in each one. Thank you for watching for today, and until next week, have a good week.